I hit a perfect 5 wood right down the left side, expecting it to draw a little more, but it went straight. Here's a gap wedge, 120, dialed in. I thought it was right in the hole, but it bounced right. On this birdie putt, I make a pretty good attempt. But I end up a little short and I get a tap in par. Off screen, I'm hitting a 4-iron into the wind. Again, another short par 4. End up hitting short. Here, I hit a great sand wedge, but just clipped the tree and it drops down. With this 30+ yard pitch, I land it perfectly and set up an easy par putt. And I make the par. Missing clip, I hit a fat 4-iron and leave myself at the front of the fairway. I hit a pretty good 5-iron just right of the green. I make a good chip, set up another easy par putt, and this time I miss. 6-iron, 300-yard hole, very narrow. I'm trying to leave myself short, so if I'm behind a tree I can go over. This is the shot. I hit the pitching wedge, catch a little fat, end up short. Another great chip, leaving a pretty good par putt. And I rim out again. So this is a beautiful drive right down the left side. Setting up. I hit an 8-iron because this hole always plays long. It's all carry, and I end up just short. Another great chip, and this time I don't have to putt. Scull a 7-iron and get really lucky as it just misses the sand trap, rolls through the rough and sets up this birdie putt. Hit it right on line and sneaks in the side. Driver, par 5, 4-iron, pretty good. As you can see, it's now a full rainstorm. I'm still playing well, so there's no way I'm going home. Hit my version of a stinger, ends up pretty close. Nice sand wedge, leaving me this downhill putt. But look at the wind, this was crazy, and I leave the putt short. Another driver, par 5. Hit my 4-iron fat, hit a perfect 6-iron, hooking it over the tree, leaving this birdie putt. Which I blow. Luckily I saved par. Storm is in full effect. I'm just trying to get off. I scull the pitching wedge. It rolls to the back. Still give myself a par putt. Telling myself I will not be short. And of course, I'm 4 feet past the hole. But I'm able to save bogey on the comeback. All in all, a pretty good round. 78 to 39. I could have easily dropped 3 to 4 strokes on each side if I just made some of those putts and eliminate those fat shots, which seem to be the ones that are really getting me down and causing me strokes. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.